Poster graphics demand sharp details so the design remains clear even when printed large. Today, how to create crisp poster graphics. Open Photoshop and create a large canvas around 4,000 by 6,000 pixels at 300 dpi to ensure high print quality. Import your background artwork and duplicate the layer immediately. Add your graphic elements, such as shapes, images, and typography, organizing them into separate layers. Select important graphic layers and convert them into smart objects so you can sharpen them safely. Duplicate those layers and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around 2 pixels, then change the blend mode to Overlay